This is a water bottle that I cut in half. All right, let's go to phase 2. All right, got a little butter in there. I'm gonna lightly toast these on either side. All of them. All right, let that cook a minute and then flip it. There's one. And do one more. I bought a new spatula, wide. Said I was going to make you a surprise.
Okay.
It's called Eggs in a Basket.
Oh, how nice.
You cut a hole in the egg.
Yeah.
And this one got toasted a little more than the others.
Okay. It looks very nice. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
What did you do with the bread that was in the middle?
I ate them.
Oh.
Do you want them?
No, I'm just curious. Like, where did it go?
Okay. Do you want anything?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right. I'm going to be trying a new hot sauce today. And it's called Sabs. Here, let me turn this. You see that okay? Sabs Salsa, and I do have a Facebook page. This is a locally made thing here, local to my area. And it's called Serrano Hot. I'm gonna try a taste. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's a good hot. Oh yeah, good stuff. Really good stuff. Really hot, but not a bad hot. That is some good salsa there. Savs, S-A-V-S salsa. And they do have a Facebook page. They got a, what's that, Twitter, I guess, huh? And then they got that camera icon, so I guess that's Instagram. And good stuff. You can order a case of it. Thanks for watching, y'all. That's called Eggs in a Basket. Look at this. I think they're calling this beta wear. New for spring, beta wear.